Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to make a nut. So as example, you can create new design and go to plan view. You can draw the polygon objects. I will click at this point. You can uncheck for use internal radius and we set for the diameter into 20. Now you can create circle, start from this point, and I will set for the diameter into 10. After it, use pull tools to convert into 3D. You can set for height into 6, press enter again. So the next, we create new plane. You can go to design and click the plane tools. I will select at this edge. Okay, you can click like in here. And now you can click sketch mode. I will select at this plane. You can click plan view. Now we can go to the line tools and I will click at these points, move to the left here. I will set for length into 2,5. And the next you can move to the bottom, so I will set into 2,5 and move into here, click connect again into this point. I will create again in the bottom here, you can click start from this point, set for the 2,5 for length, move into here 1 and click at this point. Use the pull tools again. And now in here we can use the revolve tools. You can click here the objects. Don't forget to press Ctrl button to select multiple. And after it, you can use these tools, revolve. And I will select this center line. The next you can check for the cut option. Okay, you can revolve like this into here. And we create this outside for the node. After it, to create portrait, you can click again this plane and we can create new sketch. Go to the plan view. So at this point, I will use again the polygon tools. Click at this point. You can set for side into 3. You can press tab buttons and change that into 3. Like this. And the next, for the general, you can uncheck for use internal radius. And in here I will set into 1 for the diameter. Press enter to apply. Now we can go back into the pull tools. You can click here, pull, and then select the sketch, the triangle. We can use these tools again, revolve. Okay, select at these points for the center revolving. And the next you can use the cut tools. Don't forget to check for revolve helix. And we set for the pitch into 0,5. And you can click hold to revolve the sketch. So it will be create the thread. And if you done, you can go back into select tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to make a nut. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.